Hi guys, this is Mr. Wineowine, and today I am going to show you how to make a
This is what you'll need. Add some ice in a Goslings glass and leave it to the side. Grab your shaker and add 1.5 ounces of white rum, 1/4 ounce of dry vermouth, 0.75 ounce of lime juice, 0.75 ounce of Oregat. Add some ice and shake it well. Strain your cocktail over the ice. Grab a bar spoon to put the float of dark rum gently on the top. Garnish with a lime wheel. Et voila! If you like the video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you very much for watching and santé!